Hi, hello. I hope you are all fine. Welcome to my channel Work and Connect Innovators. Today we will discuss about one of the fundamental concept of JavaScript arrays. Arrays is very important concept in JavaScript. So we can define array as a variable that contains two or more elements in it. We can say it a set of elements. So in this video we will discuss about array and its operation that we will going to perform in this video. Without wasting our time, let's move toward its coding programming. So here we can create a file array.js. So move toward the topic of creation of array. So let's we can define the name of the array with a variable name. Let is a method to define a variable and fruit is a variable. Then we can define an array with a parenthesis. These parentheses represent that it is an array. So the first element of array is banana and then the apple. These are the two elements in this array. So let's print this array. So we can say console dot log fruit. So we can run our JavaScript file by using terminal, and for running this we need to be node installed in our computer. So array.js. So here we can see our array banana and apple. So let's open our terminal in this tab. So we can print it as the array is. So here we will rerun our command, so we can say that the array is banana and apple. So let's move toward our second topic, that is assessing of elements. So how we can assess the elements, that we can say. So here we can take a variable that is element. So we want to find what is the element at index 1. So here the banana is at index 0 and apple is at the index 1. So the our answer will be apple. So let's console it, console dot log the element is element. So here we run our command and we can say the element is apple, and then move towards our third topic, that is modify elements. Modify elements. So we can say we want to replace the banana with a pineapple. So we can say the fruit at index 0. In the array at index 0 we can replace it with a new, that is pineapple. So we can console it, console.log the new array is. So let's reinitialize this, and we can say that the previous array is banana and apple, the new array is pineapple and apple. So it can replace the banana with the pineapple, but the previous predefined array remains the same. So then let's move to our next topic, length of array. Length of array. So we simply console dot log fruit dot length. Length is a method that can find its length of array. So reinitialize it and we can say the length is 2. We can console it as the length of array is, so there we can see the length of array is 2, banana and apple. And so move toward our next topic, adding elements. So we have the two methods. The first one is push method. So that is how we can set fruit dot push, and we can we can add a element that is called cherry, cherry, and then we can console it, console dot log. So the added array is fruit. So here we can say the added array is pineapple, apple, and cherry. It will add one more element into it. So let's move towards our second one, is that is unshift method. So we can say it as fruit dot unshift into our element is pure, and we can reconsole it, console dot log the un the unshift array is, we can console it fruit. So there we then console, there we see that the unshift array is look like this. So here we can clear about the concept. The main difference between the push and the unshift is that it will add to the end. The element will be added at the end, and in unshift the element will be added at the start. So let's move towards our next topic, that is removing of element. So we here have two methods. The first one is pop. So we can say it as fruit dot pop simply. So we can console dot log the pop array is. So here is fruit. So then reinitialize it. There we can say the pop array is pear, pineapple, apple. It will delete the cherry from it, and then move toward our second one, that is shift. So we can say the fruits dot shift and console dot log the the shifted array is. So here we can reinitialize. There we can say it at pineapple and apple. So in our pop situation, it can delete the cherry from it. So it means the pop will delete from the end and the unshift will delete from the start. So let's move toward our next topic, finding finding the index. Finding the index. We can find, so we can say that let index equals to fruit dot index of. So index of, we find to find the index of apple. Okay, so we can console dot log the index is, we can console here index. So we run here, that we can find here that is 1. The index is 1. Here we can see that our last array is pineapple and apple. Here we can see that pineapple is at 0 index and apple is at our 1th index. So let's move to our next topic, that is concatenation. Concatenation. So concatenation is the joining of two arrays. So here let array 1, here let array 1 is equal to, we can say 1 2 3 4, and let array 2 is equal to 5 6 7 8. So we can concatenate both arrays. So array 1 dot concat into array 2. So we can save the answer. We can save our answer into a new variable. So we can say that let the final, let the concat array equals. So we can console it, console dot log the concat array is concat array. So there we can see it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. It will join two arrays into one and return it. Let's move to our next topic, that is reversing of array. Reversing of array. So let reverse our first. So let reverse array equal to. So we can reverse array 1 dot reverse. So we can console dot log the reverse array is reverse array. So we can console it here. We can see our reverse array is like that, 1 2 3 4 into 3 4 3 2 1. So moving towards our next topic, that is sorting of array. Sorting sorting of array. So let's take an array, let array equals, so we can take it as 2 6 4 1, and we can let sorted array equal to the sorted array is equal to array dot sort. So console dot log our sorted array. So let's reinitialize it, redefine it. So here we can say that the reverse array is 4 3 2 1, and its sorted array is 1 2 4 6. Oh, sorry, here we can okay. Firstly, he defines the array, then it will console its reverse method. Okay, so here the reversal array is 1 2 4 6. Sorted array, we can say it as the the sorted array is, so here we can see the sorted array is 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 4 and 6. So move towards the iteration of array. Iteration is very fundamental operation in JavaScript in arrays. So here two methods for it. So one is for each. So we want to print the elements of fruits. So here we can say it as fruit dot for each, and then into, we will define a arrow function and name as element, the first element we will get, and then console dot log the elements or element. So how the for each is work here, the first element gets here and then console, and then the second element gets here and then console, then the third one and then console. So this is how we can see it here. The elements are pineapple, first element is pineapple and the second element is apple. It can console it as, we can replace it, the element is, so we can say here the element is pineapple and then the element is apple. This is the first method to iterate it, and then the second method is map. Say it as array 1 dot map, and then we can say it as, we take number and then number multiply by 2. So what it did from the array 1, from it, and then it's multiplied by 2, the first number 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 2, and then 2 multiplied by 2. So we can say as the let map array equal to, so we can console it, console dot log the map, array is map array. So let's check its output. So there we can see it as the map array is 8 6 4 and 2. This is the last one, the reversal array, so it can console that array. So we can previously we can reverse that array, and then the answer of it is at that array. So here is our the complete topic, and let me know what was your complications and what was your question in our contact in our comment box. So feel free to contact me, and we will provide you some notes and some other helping materials that will help you into your studies, into your programming concepts. So thank you so much for watching this video.